And so I looked right at him, and we were only like 6 inches away from each other, and I turned right into his sneeze. Yeah, I know, and it sucked because not only did I turn into it, just the way the light was hitting his face, debris came out of his face. It enveloped me. It was almost like when you use a Windex bottle and you put it on mist mode, you know what I'm talking about? Yes. As opposed to, what is the other mode? What is it, laser mode? Does anybody even fucking use that for me? Is that in case I want to mount a sniper scope on top of my Windex? Alright, I'm gonna take the shot. I'm 4 clicks. I'm 4 clicks away from a major stain here. Fuck! Miss. God damn it! Reload me. I need to go back. This guy sneezed. And by the way, all the Windex, never make sure that shit's not lined up, please. Always make sure that it's completely flush on each side. I'm just saying, don't hit that trigger unless it's like bad things happen to good people. I'm not even fucking around. There's no ha-ha on my face. I'm not even kidding. And I know some of you are gonna go home tonight and be like, hold on, honey, let me just check and see what happens if I press the thing. I just want to see what happens. What if you went home and when you did that, when you hit the trigger, a fucking ghost came up out of the window?
He told you not to, silly bitch. I am Windesto. I will clean your soul.
The guy sneezes, scares the shit out of me. I'm enveloped with his sneeze. And then I finally think, you know what, I really want to blast this guy right now because this is disgusting. I'm like, I'm gonna try to be nice, I'm gonna try to take the high road, I'm gonna try to do this the right way. So I turned to the guy, this is what I said, I looked right at him, and I went, God bless you. That's what I said. God bless you. I said it like that too, which sounds like God bless you, but has a hint of cover your fucking mouth.